Can a sequence of chord symbols actually carry genre identity? Or are we mistaking harmonic patterns for something much deeper? I recently ran a full adaptation study on a frozen 25 million parameter music transformer. The goal was to take a pure pop harmonic prior and adapt it to 11 distinct genres using 5 parameter-efficient fine-tuning methods. We tested LoRA, IA3, BitFit, prefix tuning, and full fine-tuning, plus a lightweight control token baseline. Each method updates a different subset of parameters from low-rank weight perturbations to activation scaling and bias updates. Every run was trained for 8 epochs across 3 seeds, yielding a 165-cell evaluation grid. The base model uses relative position attention over a normalized chord symbol vocabulary, deliberately discarding voicing, rhythm, and timbre to isolate the harmonic time series. The headline result: every single adaptation method improved held-out chord prediction over the frozen base. But here's the technical catch. After strict multiple testing corrections like Bonferroni and Benjamini-Hochberg, no method statistically dominates. LoRA and IA3 lead by marginal macro gains, but when we subsample every genre to a matched corpus size, LoRA's advantage completely vanishes. The performance gap isn't architectural, it's data-driven. Even more revealing is the wrong genre adapter rotation. Off-diagonal adapters frequently beat the frozen base, which means the model learns a generic corpus adaptation effect, and matched adapters just add a small, consistent harmonic prior. A chord-only genre classifier confirms this. It sits just above chance, proving chord sequences carry measurable genre information, but the signal is fundamentally incomplete. So where's the representation boundary? Chord symbols reliably encode functional progressions, cadential habits, and extension distributions. They make modular, genre-specific continuation highly practical for controllable music AI. But they absolutely cannot capture groove, voicing, production, or timbre. Chord adaptation is a powerful, bounded layer. It extends harmonic priors efficiently, but full genre identity requires stepping beyond the chord chart. If you're building controllable music models, treat chord symbols as a conditioning layer, not a complete representation. Full paper and code are linked in the description.